Enlargement of the prostate gland, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, is known to become more common in men as they age, especially after their 40s. Although BPH is not directly linked to prostate cancer, however, experts have observed that prostate cancer and BPH do have similar symptoms, such as the frequent need to urinate, difficulty in starting urination, and dribbling after urination, etc. But if left untreated, BPH can lead to urinary tract infections and a higher risk of prostate cancer. But don't worry, because we have brought you a list of the top 7 vitamins and minerals that can help you shrink and enlarge prostate and avert these potential risks. Let's begin. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of the most essential nutrients found in many prostate health supplements. This vitamin has amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the inflammation in prostate glands, which otherwise could lead to their enlargement. As a matter of fact, studies have shown that most men suffering from the symptoms of BPH were also deficient in vitamin E levels, among other factors. So having a healthy diet that contains vitamin E can help you reduce the risk of developing prostate-related disorders. You can consider almonds, peanuts, spinach, pumpkin, and red bell peppers among the natural sources of vitamin E and other healthy nutrients. But there is one thing very important. Newer studies have shown that giving vitamin E to those who already have its sufficient levels in their body could actually increase their risk of prostate cancer. Therefore, you should first consult with your health specialist to check if you are deficient in vitamin E. You can also watch our video on signs of vitamin E deficiency if you are interested. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Vitamin D. Nowadays, a vast majority of Americans lack enough vitamin D thanks to the active lifestyle that doesn't let them enjoy a good burst of sunshine. And did you know that vitamin D is quite essential to the health of your immune system, bones, and muscles? And yes, your prostate health too. Anyhow, experts have observed that most men with an enlarged prostate were also low in their vitamin D levels. Not just that, they were also more vulnerable to catching certain other prostate-related disorders, such as prostate cancer. So if you are already deficient in vitamin D, taking vitamin D via a healthy diet or supplements can effectively help you shrink and enlarge prostate and its associated risks. Fatty fish, egg yolks, and orange juice are some of the great options to get your daily dose of vitamin D. We also have some videos on vitamin D's health benefits, its best sources, and signs of vitamin D deficiency, so go check them out. But again, experts say that taking vitamin D may help you with enlarged prostate, only if you are deficient in its levels. So you should really get yourself checked before taking vitamin D supplements. Number 3. Lycopene. Did you know that consuming lycopene-rich foods on a daily basis is linked to a 30 to 40% lower risk of prostate cancer? And not just prostate cancer. Its regular consumption has been found very effective against tumor growth in certain other types of cancers, such as lung cancer, breast cancer, and stomach cancer. According to the studies, lycopene helps slow down the growth of cells in BPH patients. Plus, it also tends to reduce the levels of prostate-specific antigens. Their high levels have been linked to an enlarged prostate, prostate inflammation, and prostate cancer. Lycopene is such an amazing compound that it can help in repairing damaged cells and DNA. Also, it has extraordinary antioxidant properties and can even enhance the function of certain enzymes in our body. So if you are looking for ways to shrink an enlarged prostate, you should promptly fall in love with tomatoes because, well, they are heavily packed with lycopene. But that doesn't mean that lycopene, or tomatoes, are an alternative to medications and supplements that are used to treat BPH. So if you already are taking medications or supplements for enlarged prostate, do not skip them unless advised by your doctor. Number 4. Beta-sitosterol. Another plant-based compound that can help shrink and enlarge prostate is beta-sitosterol. It has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce the severity of urine flow in BPH and other prostate-related disorders. More amazingly, studies show that a regular intake of phytosterols, such as beta-sitosterol, is linked to a reduced risk of many types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Plus, due to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can also reduce inflammation in the urinary tract, which otherwise could cause infections in the urinary tract. Another great thing about the use of beta-sitosterol is that it's a natural herbal supplement with no serious side effects. Enriched saw palmetto oil is considered a great source of this compound. However, you can also consider hazelnuts, walnuts, olive oil, and avocados among the natural healthy sources of beta-sitosterol. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Perhaps you already know omega-3 fatty acids because of their role in heart health and a healthy immune system. But did you know that they can also be very effective in shrinking an enlarged prostate? Even better, having omega-3 fatty acids is also linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. Although an older study claimed that excess consumption of omega-3 supplements could increase the risk of prostate cancer, but newer studies, particularly a 2019 study, showed that this is not the case. In fact, most health experts advise that you can take dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids in moderate amounts without having to worry about the risk of prostate cancer. Nevertheless, omega-3 fatty acids are known to have great anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the age-related inflammation in prostate glands and avert the risk of developing BPH or enlarged prostate. Mackerel and salmon are considered among the best source of omega-3 fatty acids in addition to flax seeds, chia seeds, soybeans, and walnuts. Number 6. Zinc. Zinc is a necessary mineral that is crucial for DNA repair and cell production. Prostate tissue has been shown to have significant levels of zinc as well. As a matter of fact, research has shown that men suffering from BPH, or symptoms of prostate cancer, had much lower zinc levels in their prostates. But if you have an enlarged prostate and not a zinc deficiency, taking zinc supplements may not do any good for you. It could even worsen your symptoms. In fact, consuming high amounts of zinc, roughly more than 100 milligrams per day, can increase the risk of developing stomach disorders, diarrhea, headaches, enlarged prostate, or even prostate cancer, so it's good to be careful. Anyhow, some of the best natural and healthy sources of zinc are oysters, beef, skinless chicken, nuts, and whole grains. Number 7. Selenium. According to the studies, selenium has the ability to lower the levels of prostate-specific antigens. As we mentioned before, high levels of this antigen are closely related to a high risk of prostate cancer and other prostate-related disorders. Most likely this is due to the fact that selenium tends to reduce oxidative stress, boosts the immune system, and prevents DNA and cell damage. Selenium is also known to have anti-cancer properties against lung cancer, colon cancer, and of course, prostate cancer. As a bonus, optimum levels of selenium in the body are also linked to better cognitive health, thyroid health, brain health, and even the health of your hair and bones. Therefore, if you are looking for top vitamins to shrink an enlarged prostate and also have a selenium deficiency, adding this mineral to your daily diet might be really helpful. Eggs, Brazil nuts, seafood, and organ meats are among the best sources of selenium that you can consider. Thank you for watching the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.